Hello from the Canary Islands. I am Anju Jamnani, the property ambassador of La Boutique Canary Real Estate. And I would like to present our company, explaining why you would love to invest in our island. I would definitely choose Las Palmas. Either it's an investment or purchasing my dream house. There's good shopping, good weather, incredible gastronomy, mixture of nationalities, local food, and it's amazing for a sports lover also. And property-wise, there's rustic villas, bungalows, apartments, a seaside, beautiful luxury villas. So everything you need, you will get it in quality-wise. And why La Boutique? Well, while conventional real estate agencies have a large number of applications and properties to attend, boutique agencies like ours manage a reduced and select portfolio of properties. Therefore, La Boutique, our company, has exclusive properties where quality prevails over quantity. And we pamper the details. We advise the owner and the buyer with excellent professionalism to create a synergy of top service, which in the end is what makes the difference and good work. So don't think over it. And we are here to help you out for whatever you need. Do come over to our office, which is in Edificio Mercurio, Torre 2, 7B. Hope to see you soon.